What's up, Polygon holder? Polygon holder, what's going on in this time? In last 24-hour, Polygon were fails down minus 1.72%. The price is decreased now. But if we check out in last 3 days, my friends, so in last 3 days, also this coin were fails down minus 4.24%. They were fails down. Definitely, the price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But if we check out in the last 3 months, also definitely Polygon will get completely on the profit. But absolutely, this is not also very good, my friend. As you can see, my friend, every coin will moving in this circulation. So I'm 100% sure, my friend, to in the next month they will get a very huge pump. Now that's mean to in October, my friends, Polygon will completely go in the moon. But remember, to this time they were fails down because this is the start of month, and every coin were fails down in the first week, my friends. So therefore I will notify you to please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. You can see, my friends, this time from October 3, you can see here they will completely starting moving upward. So congratulations, many my friend. And this start of month every coin will moving upward because, my friend, this month is completely crypto market is comfortable. So therefore every coin will moving upward. But kindly holder, if you know, my friends, especially in those days when coin will moving upward, so definitely they will take a very long time. So therefore I will notify you to please hold now for a long time. I hope, my friend, they will give you very huge profit. So please don't do any mistake and be safe from the loss. So Polygon holder, my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And please, if you have any problem, so please ask me. I will answer you very urgently. Thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.